You are struggling at the moment. Okay, we've got thoughts that are very isolating. Mind is elsewhere. You can't focus at the moment, and it's based around a relationship that has ended, or that you think is ending or has ended. It just shows here somebody has moved away from you or moved on from you, and it's been very difficult, or is extremely difficult for you at the moment. They're asking you to resist reaching out. You may also be trying to resist reaching out to this person. It does show that it's going to get quite difficult during the month of November. You will have to kind of really suppress those feelings in order to kind of keep it together. So there's a little bit of a warning that you might be about to go through a bit of a difficult time. I'm going to look at some signs in a bit and see what star signs this relates to. But you were in a soul contract with this person, or you thought you were, and this person's moved away from you, and now you are stuck, and it is all feeling like a memory. So it's quite deep and difficult. I do feel like you feel trapped in your thoughts at the moment. You can't see an escape. You're kind of prisoner of your own mind. So this is quite heavy energy. So I'm sorry you're feeling like this. It does show that you might be trying to keep an eye on this person, see what's going on with this person, because you feel broken. There's spying again. So maybe trying to see what they're up to on social medias and see what they feel like and what's happening. It does just show this person may have showed you their true colours. So whatever they have said to you, it may be what they actually feel and think. So try not to hold on to the what if, or the fact that this person might change their mind. I'll look at that in a second and we'll see if they're going to come back. But it does show you had a romance with this person and it was good while it lasted. But now they're acting as if it didn't happen, and it's quite difficult pill to swallow. There was a lot of passion there, but there was also a lot of disharmony in it as well. So I do feel like it wasn't the easiest relationship to begin with, but it just shows that you are struggling, and November is going to be a difficult month for you as well. It does show you're in transformation, but that doesn't make it feel any better right now. So let's just look at the tarot quickly and see what they're saying. Yeah, it's just showing here you thought you were in this for the long term, thought you were in a committed relationship with this person, and they've just disappeared. Very, very stressful, very difficult. Emotions feel like you're carrying the weight of the world. This person seems to have moved forward, moved on without you, and they did it quite quickly to make matters worse. I do feel as though this person is throwing themselves into work to focus. I do feel as though this person is also feeling like their head's all over the place. Shows here they kind of moved away, maybe feeling a bit insecure. So maybe they thought they couldn't deliver what you needed, and maybe you were asking too much of them. If you were independent and financially independent and doing well for yourself, maybe you were too much for this person. Not in a negative way, too much as in they couldn't live up to what they thought your expectation was. Be careful about going back just for the physical side, because it does show there that this person may come back, but it might not be for love, it might be to have a good time, and then you end up hurt all over again. So what could initially feel like excitement, this person coming back in, it could end in tears again. So just be really mindful of that. You're going through a healing phase. They're asking you to reach out to spirituality and trying to take care of you during this time. It's a time to kind of reflect on the relationship and see whether it really was good for you or not. I do think this person will come back, but I don't think it's got staying power, because it keeps showing you're going to kind of end up feeling very emotional and also a little bit lonely. So please be careful if this person comes back in. Take care of yourself during this time.